Morning, everybody. So today is Tuesday. I will be seeing you guys live today at 12 o'clock. And we have our daily videos. So you guys have your Saxton cards where you guys can practice your Saxton. You guys have your guess what letter it is, where you guys will hear the letter sounds, and then you guys try to guess what the letter is. Then we have our new sight words for this week. So you guys can practice your new sight words. And we have all of our sight words that you guys can practice, all of the words that we've learned. And then we have our long I video where you guys can see how we would code the long I sound. And then we have all of our Saxton cards where you say the picture, the sound, and then the name of the letter so you guys can practice your letter sounds. For math, we have our skip counting videos. And then we have our measurement video that you guys can watch, because this week for math, we're learning about measurement. And then it is Tuesday today. So for Tuesday, your phonics is optional. We are learning about that long I sound and that I consonant E. So when we have that I consonant E, we're going to cross out that E because it's silent, and we draw a macron over that I because that I makes the long sound. So over here on the worksheet, you guys are going to have to find how we spell the words. So if you have a word like bike, B-I-K, the I, does it have a long sound? Yes, it does. So when we spell the word bike, it's going to be B, I, K, and then we're going to put an E at the end. That way our I is long. And then today your reading is required. So you guys are going to listen to the story, Bringing Down the Moon. And then after you guys listen to the story, then there's a few questions for you guys to do. So you guys are going to do that and turn it in. And then your writing is optional for today. So for your writing, we're working with some blends. So you guys can watch this video about blends. And then on the worksheet, you guys would write down the sound that you guys hear at the beginning of the word. So if I say brick, you hear that brr at the beginning of the word. So when we have that brr sound, how do we spell that brr sound? Brr. B-R. That's the blend that you hear at the beginning of brick. Your math is required today. So for your math, we're doing measurement, and we're measuring with non-standard units. So that means we're not using a ruler just yet. So you guys can watch this video about measuring length on things. And then there's 2 worksheets to do. So you guys see the picture and the cubes that are next to the picture. So just count how many cubes tall the pictures are. And then for social studies, it's optional today. So for social studies, we're learning about goods and services. So you guys can watch the video about goods and services and then do this worksheet. It asks you some questions about what's a need and what's a want, and then it asks you some questions about what's a good and what's a service. So a good is something that you guys can buy, and like you can buy milk from the store, that would be a good. And then a service is something that somebody does for you. So a service could be somebody mowing your lawn. That would be a service. All right, guys, if you have any questions, message me. If you guys haven't taken your iSIP yet, log into iStation and your iSIP. If you need any help logging in, just let me know and I will message you guys back on Remind. Bye. Have a good day.